The following two trains for Coney Island will not be running due to inclement rain services. If you are planning to travel unless evacuated by someone else, please let the staff know. The nearby train for Coney Island is A trains. Just want to let you know, D trains are now going to 47 and 50th Street, Broadway Park, due to heavy rain. We expect to have the A and D trains kind of run a little. A trains are usually within the express line, and F lines are not going to 58th Street. If there's any buses to Times Square 42nd Street, you're more than welcome to use it.